Got him going to the hive.
Told y'all.
Yo, what's happening, people? Boss man CnB Outdoors. Where y'all? I got some bad news. I'm saddened by this news that I just got. And I don't know what to do. So, I had the septic people come clean my tank out yesterday, and they were saying that it's a possibility that my garden could be or could get contaminated. So reason being, he was saying that your garden's supposed to be 50 feet away from your septic and your sprinkler systems. So all of my sprinkler systems are over here. I got one right here. Let me show y'all where they at. So they all lined up right here. I got one right there. Got one down here. So can't see them. All these leaves, I had to find it. Got one right there. I usually keep them marked. I gotta mark them again. I was supposed to buy some reflectors. Those reflectors that you stick in the ground, so I can keep them marked, so that way I don't have to keep looking for them. Let's see this one. I can't even find it now. Yo, here you go right here. So looking from here, all my sprinklers are lined up right here. And the farthest two, which would be this one and that one, I would say is 50 feet away from the garden. But the first one down there isn't. And also, this area, see my sprinkler system right here, but he was saying that this area right here is called a leach drain, or what you call it? What did he say? It's like a drainage. Like this here area is like a leach. They call it a leach drain. So by my sprinkler systems being here and they spraying this area right here, when it rains, all the drainage goes that way in and out the garden. And so even though I got a aerobic system and the water is filtered out, it still have chlorine, and it still might have some bacteria in it because it's not, 100% proof. So I don't know what to do, y'all. I don't know what to do. Y'all drop a comment and let me know. So I don't know if we should consume these greens. That's why I haven't picked them yet. Y'all see how big and pretty they is. But when it rains though, all of this water from up here, it drains through the garden. Y'all seen it before, how it drains through the garden. So he was saying that it's a possibility that the garden could get contaminated. So he recommended doing some raised beds or making like a trench around the garden. But I mean, I can try to do a soil sample or whatever. But when I do the soil sample, what am I looking for? I don't know what I'm looking for. But y'all drop a comment. Tell me what y'all think. Y'all tell me if y'all think these greens edible. I got these right here. Then I got them big ones over there. Them the first ones I planted over there. This the second batch over here. Y'all know how long I've been trying to figure out how to grow these greens, and when I finally figure out how to do it, get them nice and pretty, then I get this bad news. So I don't know. But y'all drop a comment, let me know what y'all think. And other than that, that's about it, y'all. So appreciate y'all tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're not a member of the CnB family, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. Hope y'all been enjoying the hunting videos. We're not going back into this weekend, so I got a couple of days to do some fishing. So y'all stay tuned for that. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Love y'all. Peace.